How to update a USB driver for your Windows 11? I will show you the three methods that you can use as per your requirements. So let me start with the video. First method, you need to simply come to the setting. Okay, just come to the window and come to the setting, go to the window updates, and you need to just check your updation. Okay, window updation. So just select that resume updates if you see like this, or enable this and start your window updates. So once it update, your all driver will be automatically updates. Once it's update, we need to go in advanced options, and here go to the optional updates. Maybe here you can see some drivers need to which is available for installation. So you need to just click on it and just install it. Okay, so this method for window updates. Now you can restart your PC and check whether your USB driver or USB work or not. Okay, the second method is go to the device manager. Okay, search for device manager here, just open that window. Okay, just expand it, go to the view and make sure you click on that option, show hidden device. Okay, so now here you can see universal serial controllers. Just expand it. Here you can see your USB device or drivers. Okay, you need to just right click on one by one, update it and go to the search automatically for drivers. Okay, so my drivers already updated. Okay, and the second method you can use, go to the update drivers, and here you can see the browse my computer. Go here and just click on let me pick from list. So it is basically the your window driver, inbuilt window driver. From here you can reinstall it. Okay, so here I have seen one driver, so select that and click on next. Okay, then it will be reinstalled. And here you can, if you see more drivers, more list, then you need to come here again and select one by one and click on next and install every one. Okay, now you can update every driver like this. Okay, and then you can restart your PC and check whether your USB driver work or not. The last method is come to the browser. Okay, first come to the your system information. Here go to the system information, and here you can see the baseboard product. This is your code of this your motherboard code. Like, okay, so now come to the browser. Okay, come to the browser and enter that code which we have. Okay, this is the code you need to enter on browser. So this is my browser, and you can simply hit the USB driver. Okay, like this, or simply hit the driver only. Okay, now you can see that official link. This is your motherboard company. In my case, my motherboard company is that Gigabytes. So this is the same company, Gigabytes. Just open it. Here you can see the drivers. If you don't see the drivers list like this, so go to the home. If your system open like this, so you need to go in that solutions. So okay, you will see this list like this. Maybe you can see like this. Okay, you can see only your motherboard. If I only search for that motherboard code, you will have this list, and you can see your motherboard like this. Okay, so you need to go in support, and here you need to go in the drivers, and drivers you need to search for USB drivers. So in my case, I have something here. Like this USB thumb drivers. Okay, install startup pre driver. Okay, so I can download from here. Okay, you can also download this storage technology something, and you can download from here. This is for Windows 11 64-byte and 10 64-byte. Just download it and install it, and you can restart your PC. Okay, you need to find out your USB driver from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.